Hey there. So I'm kind of a derp and meh. So I got a new microphone, which is something I kind of talked about before in an earlier video where I was talking about my tip money. Woo! Because I saved up enough to get one, and so I did. And I took it with me on vacation, and then this happened. Yep, I'm kind of dumb. I did not turn on my my microphone was turned on, but it wasn't plugged in all the way, and I think I only got one clip with audio, and but yes, so now I'm back from vacation, and I'm gonna be making my plushie and sending it out to Kyle, who won. Congratulations, Kyle, and or Cloisterbell, for those of you who don't watch Kyle. Go check out her channel. And I'm planning on putting myself on a schedule because I really like making videos. And like when I was doing, this is probably Twitter with Natalie Tran saying it's her new video. But I really like making videos, but I find it difficult when it's just a kind of, oh, I should make a video today, and then I don't end up doing it. So if I go on a schedule, then maybe I'll make videos as often as I mean to, which would be nice. Whee! So I will see you guys next week. Or in 2 days. I don't know. I have to decide what I want to do. But I want to make videos more often. So, yes. I'm back from vacation. Enjoy some pictures, things, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Lakey Lake. Hello.
Is that?
There's a lake beneath
I
me.
think it's a boat.